A bunch of classic burgers at McDonald's like the Quarter Pounder with cheese and the Big Mac just got a bit healthier. Sort of. So what's changed? Here's the skinny.
2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun.
All of the Big Mac ingredients from the famous song are still there, but with a twist. Gone are the artificial preservatives, in are reformulated buns and sauces, according to Mickie D's. But they were in a real pickle because USA Today says pickles on the sandwiches still have an artificial preservative. Did your favorite burger get a healthier remix? If your order is a hamburger, cheeseburger, McDouble, Quarter Pounder with cheese, or the Big Mac, then yes. They're all free from artificial preservatives, flavors, and colors. Even better, your wallet will stay slim because McDonald's execs say it didn't cost a lot to make the changes, so prices aren't expected to go up as a result. Around a third of its sandwiches still have artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives like the Filet-O-Fish and the Egg McMuffin. No date on when those would get tweaked. I definitely appreciate the changes since I'm into fitness. Fitness whole burger in my mouth.